Bosch Dishwasher error code. E31 indicates a problem with the heat pump or the moisture sensors, specifically related to the drying system. It means the control board is detecting that the interior is not drying correctly, or there is a fault in the heating circuit. Here is how to address it. First, try a simple hard reset. Disconnect the dishwasher from the power supply or turn off the circuit breaker for at least 10 minutes. This allows the electronic control module to discharge and potentially clear a temporary glitch. If the error persists after plugging it back in, the most common cause is a faulty heat pump with an integrated heating element. Over time, these components can wear out or suffer from electrical failure. You should inspect the wiring connected to the pump at the bottom of the unit for any signs of burning or loose connections. Another possibility is a blocked or dirty filter and drain system. If water isn't draining perfectly, the sensors will detect residual moisture and trigger the E31 code. Make sure to clean the mesh filter at the bottom of the tub and check that the drain pump impeller is not obstructed by debris, like glass shards or food scraps. In some cases, this error can also be caused by a faulty Zeolith drying system, if your specific model is equipped with it. If the Zeolith container gets wet due to a leak or a tilt, it can cause the E31 error. If basic cleaning and a reset don't work, the heat pump likely needs to be tested with a multimeter for continuity or replaced by a professional.